What if I told you your brain has a secret bank account? And right now, it's bankrupting your future. Meet Sarah. She tracked every penny, denied herself lattes, yet watched her savings vanish like smoke. The terrifying truth? Her mind was sabotaging her before she ever opened a bank app. Here's where it gets chilling. When Sarah got a $5,000 bonus, she blew it on designer bags, felt justified, necessary. But that same week, she skipped a $200 dental visit. This isn't random. It's your brain's scarcity trap springing its jaws. A carnival ride designed to keep you poor while feeling rich. But the real bomb? Rich people don't have more discipline. They exploit your lack of it. How? By understanding the dopamine loop. Stress breeds impulse, impulse breeds guilt, guilt breeds more stress. It's a psychological Ponzi scheme where you're both victim and perpetrator. Now meet my neighbor Dave. Wears thrift store shirts, drives a rusted Corolla. Looks poor, right? Dead wrong. He owns 7 apartment buildings. True wealth hides in darkness, while poverty screams through Instagram flexes. Your luxury car? It's just a rented prop in someone else's wealth play. Which brings us to your turning point. Right now, as you listen, your brain's hidden money blueprint is deciding what feels safe, what seems risky, what appears possible, and unless we rewrite yours in part 2, you'll keep reliving Sarah's tragedy. Comment, rewrite below, if that hit bone. Smash subscribe, because what comes next will change everything. Or don't. Stay comfortable. Stay stuck. The choice is yours. For 48 more hours.